Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will teach you how to clean your board and to make it ready for production. The auto-route option that we used in the last lecture created some superfluous bend points in the topmost wire. As you can see, we have some of them here. If I zoomed in, you will notice that here we have a wire that we don't need. We have two wires, we only need one of them, and if we want we can keep both, but we don't need to have these points or joints. Now simply to remove these, bring your mouse over any of the tiny orange circles, these orange circles on the wire. When the bend point turns blue, right click and select remove bend point. Now here remove bend point, and here remove bend point. The same can be done here and here. As you can see, here we have no bend points at all and our circuit is clean. Next, the top wire is selected and is free of bend points. Straighter traces means more consistent etching. Selecting the wire and bring your mouse to the top right menu or top left. Now if we selected any of these wires, as you can see here, this wire, we can simply see that in this corner we have a wire option. It's telling us that this is the width of our wire. We can increase it or decrease it depending on how we are going to manufacture our board. This is the wire option for customizing the width of the copper traces on your board. Small traces are good for interact designs and for saving space, but home PCB fabrication cannot always produce small and accurate traces. To make sure the connections are strong even if a small part of the etching process goes wrong, select the largest trace width from the drop-down menu. Now if we went here, selected the wire, we can simply go here and choose extra thick. As you can see, this wire is extra thick and this is the normal size. We can select them all and change their width. This won't affect our process and it will help making sure that all of these wires appears after etching, because most of PCB that are made inside your home or in your work with an old PCB etching equipment can remove wires that are not that thick. So you need to make sure that the traces are now robust and they can deal with some imperfection in the fabrication process. That's it. We adjusted the wires width and we have everything ready. Now that it works and works well, it's time to add your own style in the board. Now to add your own style, as you can see, this is a very simple board, so no complications are here. So next lesson we will talk about how to make this board looks like it's your own. If you have any question regarding this lesson, in which we explained how to change the wire width and how to remove the endpoints that results from using the auto-route feature, please ask in the Q&A board and we are more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team.